In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the gaming features problem on your Windows 10 or 11. If you're wanting to learn how to fix these issues whenever you're watching this video, whether in 2024, 2025, 2026, ensure you follow this step-by-step tutorial course. I'll be explaining everything you need to know. At first, what you need to do is to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, if I minimize this my screen view and tap the Windows G button, you would see that my gaming feature is working, right? It's pretty working. So how did I make this happen? Now, I know lots of entrepreneurs out there maybe wanting to learn how to record their screen for video shoots like this here on YouTube, on Reddit, on Twitter, and lots of online streaming platforms and social medias. So what you need to do is to how I record my own screen, right? Like this video I'm watching now, is I use this sniping tool, right? I've made a video on that. Ensure you go watch the video for the full tutorial. So once I tap on this new, right, I will be given the opportunity to scale size the length of the video I will be wanting to shoot, right? It can be as small as this icon. It can be 2 icons, it can be 4 icons, it can be 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. Like, it can reach this very size. So this is how I record my screen. So if your system is having a gaming issues or problem, this is basically the best way I use to record my screen, right? So if you found this video helpful, ensure you share this video to others, like and subscribe to this channel, share your thoughts below. If you have any questions, do well to ask below, because I'll be willing to hear from you guys. Thank you guys for hanging around to the end of this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.